So this is a quick battery for anybody that has an Ojo cam, like an 0801, 0803, 0805. I've replaced this battery once before, and I live in Florida, and previously I lived in Missouri in the center of the country. Florida tends to get a little bit hot, but it's also been up in Pennsylvania, various areas of the country. But I want you to take a look at this. This is the battery that is currently on there. You notice how thick this is. This is the one that's losing power I've got to replace. This one is the battery that I replaced probably about a year and a half to 2 years ago. And it's a little thick too. This is the replacement battery here. Just to give you an idea, take a look at the left side. That's the thickness of a new battery compared to the previous used battery. And this one here, take a look at this. This is the current one. And look how thick that battery has gotten. It started out as thin as the one on the left here. So this is an indicator that your battery is about to go if you have one of these cameras.